New York skyline, complete with moon, is the backdrop for a spectacular fireworks pageant. 2.5 tons of bombs, rockets, and other display pieces set off over the Hudson were donated by Japan. A giant chrysanthemum of light begins the show appropriately. Seen by millions, the display celebrates the New York Trade Fair. It was prepared by Toshio Ogatsu, a 12th-generation fireworks artist who pays fiery tribute to his homeland with a presentation of Mount Fuji. Niagara Falls appears in like splendor. An unforgettable hour of blazing artistry in Manhattan's sky.